Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you and show you Dnation's January 2020 Diecast Motorcycle display setup, which comprises of 500 plus unique and amazing diecast motorcycles that I've collected and updated the past year. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, what you are about to see is Dnation's January 2020 500 plus diecast motorcycle display setup. Well, my diecast motorcycle collection has grown drastically and rapidly over the last year as there has been a massive evolution in my collection. And since my last display setup video, there has been a lot of amazing additions to my ever-growing diecast motorcycle collection. So today I'm going to show you my January 2020 diecast motorcycle display setup. Well, enough said, so stay tuned and let's jump right into it and enjoy the ride. Well, I hope you enjoyed my collection, and if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any particular diecast motorcycle from my collection, kindly check out the Best Buy link in their respective unbox and review videos, or email me for further information and I'll be glad to assist you. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts in regards to Dnation's 2020 diecast motorcycle collection display setup, and be it the holiday season, I'll be giving away a 1/18 scale premium diecast motorcycle this week, and all you've got to do to get yourself one of these amazing replicas is to subscribe to Dnation, like and share this video, and follow our official Instagram, links in the description below. So hurry and get yours now. And if there is anything in particular that you would like to see, kindly do let me know in the comments below and I'll consider it and get it done. Well, this brings us to the end of Dnation's January 2020 diecast motorcycle display setup, and kindly stay tuned for all new amazing one-of-a-kind display unit builds, setups and loads of 2020 diecast motorcycle unbox and review episodes coming soon. Well, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback the past year. It is much appreciated, and kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and by liking and sharing our videos and helping us grow further. And as we come to the end of this amazing episode, Dnation would like to take this opportunity to wish you a happy and a prosperous new year, and wish you nothing but the best the year ahead. And I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop a comment below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes and one-of-a-kind series coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.